Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. I hope you all are having a happy Wednesday. So it's hump day for everyone and it is almost Friday. Even though I do work the weekend except for Sunday, but I hope you all are having a great day so far. So make sure my keyboard is locked. That way when I sit something on it, it doesn't do anything crazy. So this is the money that I sent back to Discover. I've already used some of this because yeah, it was supposed to go towards cash. And then we have $50 from Navy Federal. Not really sure what I got now, so we'll have to count it. Let's see. All of these are ones, 20s. There we go. Hopefully I did that right, and I don't think I have any other cash that I know of. Let's see, Capital One is empty, Discover is empty, Legis Credit Union empty, Navy Federal is empty, Rollover is empty. I've already gotten a money order and also turned it in. Desiree, Jasmine, and Travis is also empty. So we'll set that to the side. And y'all know how it is with allergies when it's almost nighttime. So my nose, I'm sniffling just a little bit, not as bad as I was, but a little bit. So let's see how much money we have. And I'm not using a cash tray. The cash tray has stuff in it. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80, 90, 200. I'm pretty sure I did it right. 200, then we have 5, 10, 15. And then we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we have $242 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. So I'm thinking $240 something at least. Because I know for Discover it should have been $246, but I did take some cash out, and for Navy Federal it should have been 50 bucks. So for the 20s, and not sure what my calculator is, but we'll figure this out. I'll go back and count this in the end while I am off camera. So we'll put 10s there. We have a lot of 5s and a whole lot of 1s. So we have, and we'll just set the 5s there. And the ones, we can set them there if they'll stay still. So if you haven't heard about my giveaway, definitely check out this video. It is going to go until Monday, if I said that right. The details are in the video. Definitely check that out if you do want to win a A7 wallet from Simple Shops. So in one of my online banks, so I cashed out my money from Upside. The money from Upside plus the $40 that I said I was going to save for Christmas. That makes a total of $76 in total. So what I'm going to do, so I'll put the screenshot right here. That way you all can see it just like I can. So I went through and I said, this challenge is almost completed. Let's see what I need to complete it. So I added up the $114 that I had or have in Ally plus the $210 that I have in SoFi. When I added it up and subtracted $351, I discovered I only needed $27. So, and finish this challenge from, it's the bankroll, it's her ABC challenge, alphabet savings challenge, where you save $351. Mind you, I started this challenge 7/19 of this year, and I'm just now completing it in December. So for the big challenges, take your time, you'll get finished. Trust me, you will. So I can't believe I did it. And what I'm going to do is, the money that I have in SoFi, it's going to stay there. The money that I have in my Ally account. I'm going to move the $114 that's already there to my vacation fund due to me having my girls' trip at the end of January. So I'm going to add that money to the amount I already have. The money that I am sending from my Chime account, I'm going to send that money to the Ally account. That way I can move it over to Girls Trip as well. So $210 in emergency in SoFi, and the rest is going to the Girls Trip, which I do have a bucket already made for Ally. So there's that. So now I'm just going to, where is my marker? And I just had the marker and I don't have a clue of where it's at. Maybe I can just use one from my pouch. Yeah, I can use this. That's totally fine. And what I'll do is this right here. Just mark things off and I'll do finish. What's today? Today is the 3rd, so December 3rd. Started July. So July, August, September, October, November, December. 5 months to save $351, and I did it this way so I wouldn't rush. So don't rush on your challenges unless you want to. Other than that, that's it. First, what I want to do is get my wallet because I need it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So did I say I was going to include this $16? No, that's not right. The $16, which I'm going to go ahead and take it out now. So we're going to use all ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I also want to do this right here. So 10. Let's do this. Let's do 2 5s and I'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me double check. Okay, so I have all 1s and 2 5s. So what I'm going to do is just shuffle the money up. That way when we do saving challenges, the money will be there. So buffer is online, so we don't have to put anything there. Invest is online. Christmas, all of this got the money that needs to go. And when it comes to the groceries, I already used, or yeah, we're going to skip groceries for now. So I need $60 for spending, and I haven't wiped any of these off just yet. This still has the same thing on it as before, so I need 60 bucks. So I have 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60. Okay, envelope that don't want to open for me. Okay, so we have $60 in spending. For travel, we're doing 40 bucks. 20, 40. And miscellaneous is also getting 20 bucks. So, let's see. Thankful is for travel. So, thankful. And then for blessed, I have a receipt from Walmart that I need to scan. So I'm going to go ahead and put 20 bucks in. Now what I want to do is set this money to the side. There we go. Let's do it that way. Yeah. So this is how it's going to look when you all see the money for the saving challenges. That way you know I didn't move anything around. So this is what it's going to look like. Just, so you all can hold me accountable. And we have all of these ones. And let's see what's left. So we have 20, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75, 85. Hopefully I did this right. 85. I already spent some money from groceries, so I'll deduct that as well. What I say this was 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $106. And what I'll do with this, since it is so thick, hold on. Okay, so when it comes to grocery, I want to make sure, oh, I know what it is. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait a minute. Calm down, calm down. Okay, I somewhat fixed it. So this is $114. Now, yesterday I did spend $14 also on Captain D's. I didn't, well, pretty much the food that I had, it was all froze. So what I'm going to do is stick this in the back of here, and I want to go through my receipts because I know I've already spent, what was it, 26 or $25 from Walmart, and I turned around and spent $13. I don't have my calculator, not really sure where it's at, so I'm going to worry about groceries later. So let's go ahead and do savings. And I just noticed that this video was almost 15 minutes long, so I'm going to stop this video right here, and I'm going to make another video for the 5th. So I'm going to stop this one and start a new one. Bye.